Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger not responding. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger not responding, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will search about Messenger app. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to click storage. Then we go to click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to your sign off airplane mode. Then you can click again to turn off your airplane mode to fix your problem that you have on Messenger app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.